Hi YouTube, we're gonna do a fond farewell to a friend. This is not my life. Fond Farewell to a Friend by Elliot Smith. He played it in, his guitar was detuned a half step, I think. But I think some acoustic guitar players do that because the acoustic guitar strings are thicker. And so if you detune it, it helps the playability. But I don't know for a fact why he did it, so I'm just speculating. We're going to talk about the verse and then the chorus. Even though this is may not be a verse-chorus song, there's a lot of chord changes. So I think if we break it down into smaller parts, it'll help us remember them. All right, and we're gonna even then on the verse we're gonna break it down into into two sections of the verse that repeat. I see you leaving me, taking up with the enemy. Cold comfort of the in-between, a little less than a human being, a little less than a happy high, a little less than a suicide. The only thing you never tried. This is not my life. All right, it is your life. Yes, you're just trying to convince yourself, but yes. All right. First section goes G, C, G. We're gonna call that the happy part. Then it goes into sad part. A minor, E minor. And it goes into, puts a B to C. Cold comfort of the in-between. We're going to call that the tension. They're building tension in that section. Then it resolves by going a little less than a human being. And that's really not nice to say to anyone. A minor, but it's just a song. Remember, it's just a song. A minor, C. All right, then that's the chord progression. It repeats. A little less than a happy high, a little less, the sad part, A minor, E minor, then a suicide, tension. The only thing you never tried, B to C, A minor, this is the resolution, to C. All right, so that's the second repetition, and then we go into the chorus. The chorus is a little simpler. Fond farewell to a friend, G. This is not my life. Fond farewell to a friend, G to A minor to C. That repeats, I think, 3 times. Fond farewell to my friend. But A minor, C, G, A minor, C. But I get the feeling that these two people, okay, you feel a lot of Elliot Smith's song is about relationships and also substance abuse, and also how those things intersect. And I get the feeling that the people in this song were probably a lot closer than friends. And so saying it's just a fond farewell to a friend is kind of at the very least we'll say it's an understatement. But it's probably an insult. It's just a fond farewell to a friend. This is not my life. All right, Have fun playing it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And bye.